Welcome. Today, let's walk through the simple steps to add your cover photo on the Facebook app using your PC, making sure your profile stands out with the latest update. First, open up your Facebook app on your computer. You'll land on the home page where you see your newsfeed and menu bar at the top. Next, look for your profile photo at the very top of the page. Click on it to head straight to your personal Facebook profile. Once you're on your profile, focus on the large rectangular area behind your profile picture. That's the cover photo space, the visual headline of your page. Hover your mouse over it and click directly on your current cover photo, or the blank space if you haven't set one yet. A menu will appear, and you should see an option that says Choose Cover Photo. Click on this button. Here, you can pick a photo you've already uploaded to your Facebook albums, or you can upload a new image from your device. This is your chance to get creative. Choose a picture that really represents you or what you want to share with your friends and followers. After selecting your image, you'll get a preview. At this stage, you can drag the image to position it just the way you like. You can scale it up or down depending on how you want it to appear. Take a moment to make sure everything looks just right. The perfect placement helps your profile make a memorable first impression. When you're happy with how your cover photo looks, find the button labeled Save Changes and click it. Facebook will update your profile instantly, giving your page a fresh, new look for everyone to see. And that's it. You've just added or updated your cover photo on the Facebook app using your PC. Whether you're going for something personal, fun, or professional, your profile now has a new visual highlight. Don't forget to revisit your cover photo in the future. Changing it up regularly can keep your profile feeling new and give your friends something to look forward to.